Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you 5 easy to copy winter outfits. In this first look I'm starting by using these high-waisted creamy Zara pants. They're really elegant pants and they're one of my favorites. I'm pairing them with this really beautiful and elegant turtleneck sweater from H&M, and just to add an elegant touch to this look I popped on this H&M really simple belt. I finished the look by adding these black kitten heel boots, and on top of it all I popped on this black coat. This is pretty simple look that you can easily recreate by using any similar tones that you already have in your wardrobe. Over here I'm using these beige pants. They're the latest addition to my wardrobe and they're from H&M. I paired them with this really elegant knit from Zara, and when it comes to shoe wear I popped on these really simple white sneakers, and I finished the look by adding this white trench. Of course it might be cold depending on where you live with this trench, I'm aware of it. Of course you can pop on any other coat. I just went after this one because I like how effortless and casual it is in a way, and that's pretty much it. This is really simple look that you can easily recreate on your own by using some of the similar pieces that you already have in your wardrobe. As someone who is madly in love with sweater dresses for winter, of course I always have to include one. So over here I'm wearing this black oversized sweater dress from H&M, and I popped on these flat black boots. Honestly, these boots I don't know, I have them for like so many years now. They went through so much and I still love them. So of course I have to style them with this sweater dress, and I finished the look with this white or like some sort of off-white coat from H&M. I just love this mix of white and black. It's just such a chic combination that you can pull out for winter everyday styling, and again this is one of those looks that you can easily recreate. Moving on to the fourth look, and over here I'm wearing these black jeans. These are mom jeans from H&M, and honestly they're one of the most comfortable and softest jeans that I have in my wardrobe. I styled them with this striped H&M blouse, and finished the look by using these Zara loafers and this H&M coat. This is one of the easiest looks that you can recreate for your winter styling, and I just love how it is chic yet effortless and really comfortable at the same time. No winter styling can pass without leather pants, at least when it comes to me. So for that reason I'm in this look including these black leather pants. I styled them with this gorgeous and really beautiful top from, I believe it is also from H&M. I just love that elegant neckline, and I finished the look by using same Zara loafers and this H&M off-white coat. I just love again how comfortable and easy go-to look this is. Of course when it comes to all of these looks it is important to say that yes, you can easily layer underneath them. Just because I haven't done so in these examples doesn't mean that you can layer appropriate for your weather. So yeah, these would be the looks that I prepared for you today. I really hope you enjoyed them, and yeah, that would be it from me for today. I see you all next time. Bye bye.